TAMADOGE is back, everyone. TAMADOGE strikes back. Look at this, up 40% on the daily time frame, up 40% against Bitcoin. Seriously, who let the dogs out? Who let TAMADOGE out this time? Look at this massive pump over here. This is exponential. This is amazing. Everything else is kind of boring today, but this TAMADOGE right here, it is shining. It's in the market spotlights. It's doing crazy things. $9 million worth of volume over the last 24 hours. Is TAMADOGE seriously going to sail its way back to maybe beyond $50 million in terms of market capital? It's very, very possible, ladies and gents. Let's have a look at what's going on. Also, there is a massive rumor of TAMADOGE launching on more exchanges, so keep your eyes peeled. It's something to speculate on, because if this happens, the price could certainly go up even higher. So one thing I noticed, TAMADOGE is finally paving its way back up here on the volume side of things, just below Doge on Mars. Of course, Elon Musk just acquired Twitter, so we're seeing a lot of dog tokens fly over the last few hours, but TAMADOGE is definitely one of them, and it's really, really good to see that TAMADOGE still has a lot of momentum following its corrective phase. Looking at some more TAMADOGE news, this is all of the exchanges that it's listed on at the moment. As we see, it's currently on multiple exchanges. We've got OKX, LBank, MEXC, Coinsbit, Uniswap, BKX, Bitmart, XT, CoinW, BitGet, Bit4X, and Bit.com. So there's loads of places where you can actually acquire it, and they're doing a fantastic job at making sure there's as much exposure globally and commercially as possible, so everyone can basically buy TAMADOGE. So I am still very, very keen to see what's going to happen for TAMADOGE in the future. I think the long-term potential is absolutely massive, and in my opinion, it's one of the most fun meme coins in the entire crypto space. So let's check it out, everybody. We can see here, Purple Dude, TAMADOGE coin rare NFTs are still up for sale on OpenSea. Get up to a 70% better chance of placing in the top 3 of the TAMADOGE Play to Earn game global leaderboards. Follow the link below and get yours now before they sell out. So this is one of the rare NFTs. They look super, super dope, guys. I think they look absolutely awesome. Wouldn't you just love to get a rare NFT? Someone in my Discord actually did just recently get a rare NFT, the silks.io NFTs. He just minted a super rare one, which was like 1 in 1,000 chance. So now he's hoping to do like a 20 to 100x. The same thing can happen with TAMADOGE NFTs if you end up minting a rare one. What else is happening? Well, most traded highlight projects that haven't been listed on Binance yet. We can see TAMADOGE is finally trending once again, $5 million in terms of the trading volumes. That's really, really good to see as well. And more bullish news here, TAMADOGE is back in the top 10 gainers on CoinGecko. So that's very, very bullish sentiment to TAMADOGE. Is this the revival? Are we going to see TAMADOGE soar back up to those resistance levels where we saw previous rejections? It could be possible. Check out today's top 5 1 days APY of AMM market. We can see TAMA USDT is also here at rank 5, so more bullish exposure on the CoinEx global exchange as well. So very, very good to see this. TAMADOGE is being plastered in all of the right places right now, and we remember it did a 20x. It corrected naturally, as all euphoric big parabolic rallies always do have a correction, right? Nothing goes up forever. But yeah, I'm just really, really happy to see this happening. And they also have a $5,000 giveaway still live. So they've done multiple 3,000 ones. If you want to expose yourself to this potential competition, check out the TAMADOGE Twitter page. Really, really easy to enter as well. So price analysis, probably the part you're more curious about. We had this falling wedge over here back during the beginning of October, and we did have a bullish breakout. We had a breakout, we got rejected about the 0.0457, then we started a downtrend. So we came through this downtrend and we started sort of chopping between that 0.0223, the 0.251 level. So you can see here between the 223 and the 251, we were really consolidating. That was a fantastic phase and a good opportunity to potentially buy some more TAMADOGE. And if you did scoop up that dip, for example, if you bought the bottom over here from the 29th of October, you'd have been up to 94% up on your investment. Or if you know, holding at current time, you're still up 65%. So the volatility is crazy. This was a very nice undervaluation reaccumulation zone for TAMADOGE holders. So anyone that did buy in these lower levels, pretty much back at the start of the public sale price, did very, very well. So of course, we're getting lots of volatility. This was a key target at $0.037. I did tell people in the Discord channel that now is a good time to start scalping some profits or selling in tranches. By the way, you should actually get into the Discord because many more pre-sales are listed. As we can see, you've got IMPT, Dash to Trade, Calvaria as well, all with 10 to 100x potential. So do not miss out. Come and say hello in my Discord channel down below in the comment section or description box. And yeah, I mean, this is absolutely euphoric. This is parabolic. Finally, TAMADOGE is back above that 20-day moving average, which means on the 4-hour time frame, it could be at the beginning of a new uptrend, which is very, 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 very bullish in my opinion. Having a look at the corrective wave so far, if we pull up our Fibonacci extension and retracement tool, you can see it did just come down to that 0.618. Apologies, no, it came down to the 0.5 and the 0.382. So it could suggest there is more downside potential here. But if we can hold at this particular level and print some more greens, we might actually try to retest the 0.0367 level, because with all the anticipation and the speculation around more crazy listings, which are rumored to happen or in the pipeline, we could effectively see the price increase once again. So who knows what could truly happen? And I think what's mental is when you look at this price here, that's what I love about crypto. This is effectively a bit of a rising wedge pattern. It's typically a bearish reversal pattern here, where we see we've got the converging resistance at the top, support line at the bottom. They're converging together. You're printing some higher highs as well as some higher lows. Usually you actually lose support here, but TAMADOGE has just nullified technical analysis. It's just done the impossible. It has blasted off from 0.03 today, and you know, it could be paving its way back to $0.05. Who honestly knows what might happen for TAMADOGE? Guys, are you still holding TAMADOGE? Are you accumulating? Did you sell everything? I'd love to know your story. I know a lot of you guys made some massive profits during the actual main parabolic pre-sale pump over here, when it came all the way up to like $0.196. That is absolutely insanity. I can't believe my eyes, ladies and gents. It's nice to see that TAMADOGE finally has some consecutive green candles. It has been a dirty river of red, but finally, you know, we've had 3 consecutive green candles in a row now. We're getting a lot of good volume come through, and I think, you know, looking at the Bollinger Bands on the 4-hour time frame, whilst it does show that we're overextended, it's really good to see this bullish momentum for TAMADOGE. So there's a lot to speculate. There's a lot going on. I imagine, you know, with Elon Musk buying Twitter and the crypto wallets, that could happen on Twitter as well. All dog theme coins are just going crazy. But the unique thing about TAMADOGE, I mean, let's just quickly go back to TAMADOGE. You know, hardly any of the roadmap has actually gone live yet. For example, the amazing metaverse, the augmented reality that we're going to see, the NFTs. There's so much that's going to happen in the future for TAMADOGE that just keeps it exciting. You know, it hasn't really been deployed on that many tier 1 exchanges yet, and it still has the space and potential to do so. So don't lose the faith for TAMADOGE. It's definitely exciting. They've got cash reserves to keep this pumping moving forward and focus on protocol upgrades as well as fundamentals. And you know, TAMADOGE is just a fun, immersive and captivating ecosystem. So that's about it, ladies and gents. I just wanted to update you of TAMADOGE. I know you probably thought I went missing or something because I didn't make a video on this for a while, but I was waiting for the right moment, and today felt like the right moment where we're seeing TAMADOGE fly once again. Anyways, over and out. Stay crypto safe, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Help me out because I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway, and subscribing will automatically enter you. Bye for now.